This is all from a recent trip I took to Montana. This flower here is clematis. It was growing all over the trail here. So beautiful. I think it was Clematis occidentalis, but I'm not totally sure. And this is a Jacob's ladder. Not sure what species exactly, but genus Polemonium. Very pretty. More clematis. It's growing all over the trail. So beautiful. Makes me think of like a fairy plant. Sorry for my not the best filming. Oh, this is Calcea uniflora. So cute, so cute. I love it so much. Here that's shooting star, dodecathion, and yellow bells, Fritillaria pudica. And then here we have prairie smoke, one of my favorites, GM triflorum. So pretty.